I made of predator and prey dynamics. So what we have here is kind of a grass that grows back after some time, and the blue dots are the grazers that eat the grass. They also reproduce if they reach a certain energy threshold. So they gain energy by eating the grass, and they lose energy with every tick, with every time passing. And the red dots are predators that eat the blue guys. They simply move in a random manner toward the nearest blue dot. And although they have a tendency to get stuck on these barriers, which is intentional, without these barriers, what will happen is the predators will immediately kill off all the grazers, and then the predators will die off themselves. And even if I didn't put any predators, without the rocks, the grazers will eat all the grass and then overproduce, and then die off. So the rocks are very important. So the rocks are created using a graphics algorithm called Perlin noise. And also notice that the agents can wrap around to the other side of the screen. So the map is a toroid shape. So if you go over to the right side, you'll emerge on the left side. And the top and bottom of the map are connected. There's also a graph that shows the populations of the predator and prey and how they change with time. So you can kind of see a Lotka-Volterra relationship here, where the predator graph lags behind the prey graph. So you have this spike here, spike up, and followed by the predator spiking up. And again, prey spikes up, predator spikes up, and prey spikes up here, predator spikes up here, prey spikes up, predator spikes up a lot. So it's kind of predictable, right? Although here you just get a little spike here. The way the grazers move is that if they see that there is grass in front of them, they'll just keep moving forward while eating the grass. And if they don't see any grass in front of them, or if they're blocked by some other object, then they'll randomly pick a new direction and then move forward in that new direction. And they move a lot faster if there's no grass. When there's grass, the grazers will stop to eat the grass. So they'll move a block and then use one turn to eat the grass, which is how the predators are able to catch them, because the predators don't stop to eat the grass. But they do, if the predators catch the grazer, they will stop for 2 frames to eat they'll stop for 2 frames while they're eating. All right, let's take a look at the graph. Yeah. It doesn't look as clean as the Lotka Volterra graphs you're going to see online, but it basically follows the same pattern in terms of the spikes and the dips temporally. And as you can see, roughly we get like 20 predators on average, while prey over here sits at 150. So not quite a 10-to-1 relationship as you would expect, but almost.